can't film my intro. I can't get... What's happening? My brain has gone to a brain fart mode. Hey junkies, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new around here, I'm MakeupJunkieG, and all of my subscribers are called junkies because you are also fab and you are pretty much the best people on earth. So if you do want to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button, because you could be a part of the Junkie Squad, and also you could be in a chance of getting a notification shout out. So all you have to do is click the bell button and comment down below when you've done that with the hashtag I'm a junkie. I will pick 2 of my lovely subscribers' comments that have turned on the notification bell on for me, and at the end of every single video you may have a chance to have a shout out. So definitely stick around to the end of this video and you will find out who gets a notification shout out for this week. So today's video is going to be a May favourites. Again, I'm going to say it again. I'm going to sound like a broken record, but where has the month gone? Like, it's like, hello, I'm May, bye, I'm going. Like, it's here and gone within the flash of your eyes, and it's crazy. But without any more rambling, let's get on with the video. Okay, you guys know I am going to start off with a beauty, because beauty is my thing, makeup is my thing, I like to slap it on my face. So the first thing that I've been obsessed with this month is a highlighter. That has to be the first thing, because your girl has been obsessed with glowy skin. Now if you haven't seen my glowy, like the ultimate glowy makeup look, I will link it up here in the cards, and basically you'll fall in love with how glowy my skin has been this month. I've been loving the fresh faced glow skin. It's just beautiful. Like, whoa, my voice just cracked. So for the most gorgeous glowy glow queen look, your girl has been obsessed with this highlighter. This is what I like to call an oldie but a goldie, because this is so good. Every single person used to be obsessed with this highlighter, and no one really talks about it now, but I love it. It gives the most gorgeous natural glow. You can really slap this on. You can go from like quite natural to crazy glowiness and look pretty much like you are part of the moon, which is absolutely fine for me. And this is the Balm LouManizer. You might have heard it. You can get this on Beauty Bay now, which is so good, because you normally could get it on Debenhams or I think apparently on Superdrug's website, but Beauty Bay do it, and that makes your girl happy, because next day delivery, hello, you can get this next day. You could be a glowy queen tomorrow if you ordered this today. So yeah, I'm pretty shocked at the fact that this is on Beauty Bay now. Definitely recommend, and I love it. And moving swiftly on to another glowy product, because your glowy I just love glow. I love glow. This is such a glow like base. Like, this is the most perfect glowy base. This is the Urban Decay highlighting fluid. This is in the shade Luminous, and this is a very gorgeous white moon glow. I want to say moon quite a lot, because your girl is looking like a moon, she's feeling like a moon, she glow like a moon. But this is gorgeous underneath your makeup. I don't like using it on top of my foundation, because it makes me look very cakey and very patchy. It's not a good look. However, when you apply this under your foundation or before you put on your highlighter, it's just fab. Like, it's the most beautiful glow base. I love it. If you haven't seen this or used this already, I recommend going into Urban Decay, swatching it, and really just get to know this product, because once you have this in your life, you will not turn back. If you work with this on your skin, you can use it on top of your foundation, but I love using it underneath, because it gives the most gorgeous luminous glow, like you've been swimming in the sea of moon dust. So good. My next product has been something that I'm wearing now because I love this summer vibe. I just love it. I'm really digging it. And this is the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in Fenty Glow. Can you see that there's a proper theme in here? Like glow, glow, baby glow, glow, baby glow. I love it. Glow, everything is glow. I'm a glow queen with my glow chicks. Okay, that sounds weird. Yeah, Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. Your girl loves it. This is such a beautiful lip gloss. Now, I got this and didn't really use it as much. Then this month, I've been really using it and loving it. It feels so comfortable on my lips. It gives the most incredible shine. And it's such a lovely colour. Like, it goes with most eye looks. And I love pairing it with a bold lip, a nude like eye. I even like adding this on top of any lipstick colour. It really does make your lips pop. And I'm just wearing this on its own today, and it's fully pigmented to give you a, like, your lips but better kind of look, and your girl loves that. Like, your lips but better in a lip gloss is rude. So rude. And if you need a gloss, like, I recommend this one. Riri got the lip gloss in the bag. She killed it. Honestly, I love it so much, and I love it. I just love it. Look at my glow. Literally, I've got glowy lips. My lips, but better, but way juicier. What's in my bag? So my next other favourite this month has been a lip liner. Now, it's very different to what I've just been mentioning, but this is the Decay Gwen Stefani lip liner. This is so fab. I love it. This is 714 lip liner. I'm not sure if they still do it. I'm sure they do it on their website. They did say it was limited edition, which I think was a slight lie, because 2 years later, I still see it on their website. So if you need a good red lip liner, I recommend this. This is such a gorgeous red. It's like a cherry red, and I love using a lip liner just because I could wear a lip gloss on top. So I like using this and then filling in my lips with the red or whatever, and it just really lasts all day. I've been wearing this a lot. If I'm not wearing a nude, I'm wearing a bright red. It's the perfect way to inject a bit of colour, a gorgeous red lip in summer. Like, who doesn't want lips that pop? Because I do. Last favourite of the month, and it's the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This thing is so fab because you can spray this all over your face to give you that gorgeous glow, and it really sets your makeup in place. You can apply a highlighter over the top of this, and it just looks so fab, and I love it. And you look glowy and juicy and like you've got out of the sea. It just gives you a gorgeous healthy glow, and it sets your makeup for days. Like, honey, your makeup ain't moving because this thing has got your back. It ain't slipping off your face. My next really random favourite is sliders. I've been obsessed with sliders. Can you believe that? I got myself a pair of black fluffy sliders. Oh yes, I did, honey, because I want the black and I want the fluffiness on my feet. I love these things. Your girl has turned into a fluffy black monster, and I'm not gonna lie, I love it. My next favourite has been these yellow sunglasses. These are from Miss Pap, and I've been loving these. These really make any outfit pop. Like, you want to pop, you pop with these. These look so nice, and I've got a lot of people into these kind of glasses at the moment. I'm loving them. I'm loving sunglasses, especially these, and they make any outfit just look so cool and edgy. And if you want to inject that edginess, add some coloured glasses. I'm really into funky glasses at the moment, and these look so awesome. With black and white, just white on its own, does black. You know, my style. It just looks so good. And Miss Pat do some fab glasses. And Miss Pat, I love you. You give me some glasses, and your girl is addicted. It's so fab. Now, your girl has been obsessed with piercings at the moment. I've been loving them, and I got my ears pierced, my lobes done at the age of 19. How crazy. But I've done it. I've got my ears pierced. Finally. And yes, I did it again. Oops, I did it again. Yes, I got my cartilage done. I have been dying to get my cartilage pierced, and your girl did it. I literally went in, I was like, look, I'm going to get my cartilage done, and I got it done, and it was the best decision I made. So I now have my nose, my earlobe, and my cartilage. It is stunning. I feel so confident with it. There's something about it that gives me so much confidence, and it really does make me love my ears more, and it was one of my least favourite things. Now I love having my ears pierced. I love the fact that they really, really stand out in my videos, and your girl is going to be crazy with her earrings. So I'm just warning you, you're going to be seeing the craziest earrings ever, because your girl isn't afraid of style. Your girl is going to be going all out. So yeah, I've been loving my earrings at the moment, on my piercings. So yeah, next month I reckon I'm going to be doing a whole haul dedicated to my ears, because these bad boys deserve so much love. My next favourite has been Post Malone's Bentleys, Beerpongs and Bentleys album. His new album is just so touching. I love it. The lyrics, the songs, he kills it. He is incredible. I love him. He knows, I hope he knows you love him. You guys know how much I adore him. He means everything to me. I love him. And his songs are just amazing. He's got the most incredible album out, and I'm so happy he brought it out. So that has been pretty much my favourite of the month. Post Malone's album, it's incredible. I reckon you should go down below and check it out, because it's absolutely popping. Don't you just love it when your camera dies? So to top off my May favourites, I'm going to have to mention two of the most amazing highlights of this month, which is two lovely subscribers who, one, has drawn me, and two, just are the sweetest people ever. So my first one goes to Louisa Regelman. I'm sorry if I really destroyed your name, but she did the most incredible hand sketched art of me. She physically drawn me. I just love this picture so much. It means so much to me that you take the time to even do this, to take the time to even draw me. I love it so much. You are absolutely incredible, and I love you so much. And then my second one goes to Sammy, and she did another amazing art on me. She basically did a cartoon of me. I love it so much. The colour themes, just everything about it is incredible. You guys are insane. You're so talented. So if you do anything arty or anything like that, and you want to be featured, I would love to do this at every monthly favourite. So I'm going to start including you guys' art. So if you do have anything of me and you tag me in it, I will mention it in my monthly favourites, because you guys need to be shown to the world. You are insane. So my two notification shout out goes to Mary Rose, and she had the most amazing comment ever, and I had to feature her, because basically my videos really help a lot of you, and that means the entire world to me. The fact that it really helps you, it means the world. So thank you, Mary Rose, for putting the most incredible comment, and thank you for being a gorgeous junkie. I love you very much. And then my next notification shout out goes to Slimy Guinea Pigs. What a great name. And your comment again, I love it. I pinned your comment, of course, because you are so fab. I'm so glad that I can help you guys in really bad times. That means the world, and I'm so glad that I can make at least 1 minute of your day happy. I want to hug you. But I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you'll get notified every time I upload. I'm going to love you so much, but I'm going to leave you. I will see you on Wednesday for a brand new vlog and a brand new main channel video. I love you.